Eric DIY here with another great review. Tonight we're going to review the Easthills Outdoors Mammoth Polar Fleece Blanket. The Polar Fleece Blanket has two sides to it. It has a nice soft fleece side, and on the other side, and I've also tested this because I've used this quite a lot, it has a waterproof, water repellent side as well. So if you're going to use it as a blanket, you put the Polar Fleece down on top of you, and you keep the other side up, and it will keep water out of wherever you are while camping. But it also does great on the deck, even if it's raining and you have screens on still, where you might get just a little bit of humidity coming in. So it's been great on the porch so far. We're also going to use it in many other applications. Obviously with the waterproof layer, you can put that down on the ground and use it as a picnic blanket or someplace to rest. So the Revolution just scored. We're ahead 1-0, and I'm in the Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket and the Ricky Ticky camping pillow. Total comfort as I lay on this outdoor little love seat. So, doing excellent. I've been hanging out in this tent for a long time with the Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket, and just like the porch when you watch movies, it keeps you ultra warm. I'm only wearing a t-shirt and camping pants, and I'm totally warm up here in 52-degree weather. I would definitely think that if you layered up, you could have this thing out in freezing temperatures, no problem. Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket also makes excellent flooring for a tent. So if you want to stay a little bit warmer with your sleeping pad, you can put it underneath. Really soft to the touch, really comfortable. I mean, I can lay on it just like this, no problem. Will keep you more insulated from the ground. And it's just an excellent product with many versatile uses, whether you're out on the porch or out camping in the tent. Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket also includes a pocket where you can put your cell phone, keys, glasses, anything else you need in there. And it's just an excellent little addition to this already great Polar Fleece blanket. And on the bottom, again, it's waterproof material, so that if you have a leak in your tent, let's say that little rainwater got in, you can lay this down on the tent for floor cover, and it will keep you dry and away from the little puddles of water on the bottom of the tent. I don't have any, but I'm just saying it could. And the Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece blanket leaving me totally warm here. I've been laying here for about a good hour and a half with it, and I have had no problems. We're in 52-degree weather here. Feeling really good. If you layer up underneath this, again, I just have a t-shirt and camping pants. If you layer up underneath this thing's going to keep you warm even in cold, freezing temperatures. So I definitely recommend it. And if you have a sleeping bag underneath it, you're definitely going to be fine. Like I said, it's going to give you an extra layer of warmth and comfort. So really highly recommend the Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket. Overall, the Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket, excellent product. Well worth the money that you invest in this. Can be used anywhere, outdoors, picnicking, camping, also on the porch while watching movies like I showed. So just an excellent product. Really happy with it. If you'd like to purchase your Easthills Outdoors Polar Fleece Blanket, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.